Want to remove background from videos? Removing backgrounds isn't easy, and most tools charge for it. But in this video, I'll show you a completely free tool that runs locally and removes video backgrounds effortlessly. Let's get started. First, you need Pinokio to use this tool. If you haven't installed it yet, check out my previous guide to install Pinokio on your PC. If you already have Pinokio installed, open it and click on the Discover option. Now, search for Video Background Remover, and select this tool from the results. Next, click on Download, and wait a few minutes for the files to install. Once the download is complete, click Install, and wait for the setup to finish. Now you're ready to use the tool. Here's the output after removing the background using this tool.